Hi and welcome to day 6 of NPST Capture the Flag Challenge for this Christmas. Let's just dive right into it and open today's task to see what's in it. And we can see it's KAKER-kontroll. So what do we have here? In a standard KAKER-kontroll, all the communications and restrictions has been taken a copy of in this document. Basically, they are saying that there has been some inspections and they thought it was very strange that a person had this document, since this person has had an anti-Christmas attitude, and we want you to take a closer look on it. And we can see that this is basically just recipe for cakes, pepperkaker, portions, type, ingredients, and so on, and a step-by-step guide in how to make it. So let's just take a copy of this and we can paste it into our descriptions, and we can already see there are some special characters here. So this was quite nice actually, and I think we actually have the solution to this task already, since you can see it's supposed to give us a flag, and here is PST and this apostrophe. The solution will also then be take each character that comes after the hidden symbol and you get the flag. And then we got the solution for today. So that was day 6 of the NPST Capture the Flag Challenge for this Christmas.